A warm greeting to all our valued viewers. In this comprehensive lesson, we will learn and get to know the correct and proper way through which you can effectively create a channel immediately after creating a new Gmail account. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with friends and family. So, to begin, you simply need to open the YouTube application on your device, just as you would typically do. After successfully launching the application, proceed to navigate to the specific location situated at the bottom of the screen, and then carefully click on it to continue. Then, this interface will appear for you, as you can see. And here in this place, it says Create Channel. We click in this spot, and then this interface will appear for you right away, as you can see. We will now proceed to click on this specific option that is clearly labeled as Create Channel. This is a crucial step. Excellent, we have successfully created a channel on this particular account, which is the new Gmail account. And now, having reached this important point, you are fully enabled to upload your videos directly to your newly established channel. Don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly helpful YouTube tutorials where you'll undoubtedly find important and valuable guides that you'll truly like and significantly benefit from.